What's up, guys? It's Backwater Bassin here. November 27th. We're out doing some duck hunting today. We had a big front come through last night. Snow. It's like a blizzard out here right now. Super windy. A lot of big greenheads around. Setting up, we already had some try to come in. Like I said, super windy, like 20 mile an hour winds. Hunting over just a little pothole here. Got 4 guys, and we're hoping we can get a 4-man limit. So at first here, I'm just going to sit back and film. Once they start shooting some birds, then maybe I'll pick up the gun. But that's the plan. Hopefully we can get them. Here's the setup, guys. You can hear. We just got basically some little rafts of decoys up here, and then the wind's blowing this way, so we're hoping that they'll just come right up here, stop right in front of us, and dunzo.
Take him.
Got one, Greenie. Nice shooting. Big old Greenie. Nice greenhead. Yeah, get ready. Like 20, 15. These 3 might do it. Oh gosh. None?
That one is hit.
No, I don't think he is. It's just the wind. Woo! That was a hard shot.
It's just peace.
Oh my gosh. They're going. Shoot him again. Get the greenhead or the hen? There you go, guys. Got him. Big old greenhead. Third one. A lot of birds coming in. Just can't hit much right now, but it's hard with this wind. So hopefully we can improve our shooting a little bit. Get a couple more. Oh gosh. I just missed it in the GoPro. It happened way too fast. These 2 hen and Drake Mallard come in. Did it perfect. Right over the water here. First shot, dropped the Drake. And then I shot him again, finished him. It's a nice looking one. Let's go. First duck today for me. I'm using the GoPro a little more now. Big bird. Oh. Pick him up. Looky there. There we go, guys. Nice bird. Should I shoot it?
Yeah, sure.
Green! Too far, get out there. Just walk out there. I'm not the one that shot it. Dad did. Dad's one that I know. I thought it was a head until it turned, and when Dad shot, I thought it was a greenhead, but I tried shooting once it was going down. Susie, killer. Ready? Might be a hen. What is that, greenhead? I thought it was a greenhead. Yeah. I couldn't tell. I couldn't shoot.
Yeah.
Shoot green, boys. I won't. I'm trying to blow your ears off. Hat. Back one's a drake. Not me.
I thought greenhead.
Yeah, that was a greenhead low there. You really got those things to turn. That one's hit. Yeah, he got hit. Okay guys, end of the night. Ended up with 9 ducks, 5 here. The other 2 guys took the other 4. It's pretty good. Had lots of birds around us, just couldn't get them to decoy well. The GoPro and died pretty early, so I only got I think like 4 of them on camera. But yeah, good day, all mallards. 7 greenheads, 2 hens. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.